different levels. There are 2 different levels in IBDP Maths. I'm talking about these 4 levels, okay? Here we have 4 levels and the 4 books, in fact. See, in IBDP Maths,
In IB, we are doing standard level for math.
Standard level. But there are 2 different types of standard level that you are doing for analysis and approaches or analysis or interpretation. Like AA or AI.
I don't know. They haven't told us yet.
Okay. It means till now that you have information related to that only, that you are having
Standard
SL,
level.
the standard level. Okay. Don't worry about it. Like any particular topic do you want me to proceed?
We can start with maybe the coordinate planes, like finding the 2 points of, because that's what we'll start with in the beginning.
Okay. So Madhan, I just need to ask first, like in today's lesson, like as this is just a demo, so do you want me to discuss like about the levels, how many different levels are there?
Yes,
And
please.
which different types of topics are there in each and every level, and which level is important for you?
Yeah.
Whatever the career is decided by you. So do you want me to discuss that first, or do you want me to discuss any mathematical topic first?
We can discuss the everything that's important for me in IB and everything about that.
Okay, definitely. So as I have already discussed it with you, Marlon, like we have AA and AI, and till now even I'm not sure and you are not sure that you are taking AA or AI.
Yeah.
So I'll tell you that which AA or AI is important for you. Can you tell me like in which field you want to make your career?
In which school?
Sorry, your career. Like do you want to become a doctor? Do you want to become a mathematician? Do you want to become
it's still not clear, but I think I want to be a doctor for babies.
Okay. So actually, Martin, like in case of AI, if you are interested in, like as you said that you want to become a doctor, so you have to take AA. Okay?
Okay.
This is the only maths, like some of the students are there, they are interested in biology. Do you have biology as a subject?
Yeah.
So you have to take AA. There is only one option for you. If you have biology, then you have to take AA. It's your choice that you are taking SL or you are taking HL. Okay. If we talk about, like as you said that you are interested in this field, but then you have to take AA. Okay.
Okay.
And sometimes students are interested in like engineering, they are interested in banking, they are interested in finance, then they have to take AI. In short, if they are interested for an engineering or any coding or artificial intelligence or machine learning or maybe deep learning as well, they have to take AI. Okay?
Okay.
But if you are interested in, as in subject, like you are interested in biology, you are interested in physics, you are interested in chemistry, you have to take AE. Correct?
Okay. Yeah.
So this is the basic difference in this. And the second thing, like if we talk about the syllabus, so in syllabus we can talk about the 50% syllabus is same for all the levels. The 50% syllabus is same for all the levels. Okay.
Okay.
And for AA, SL and HL, 70% syllabus is same and 70% syllabus is same. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But if we'll talk about the difference, like there is a difference of 30%. Actually, this 30% syllabus extra in HL, but in SL there is no extra syllabus. Okay. That 70% is 100% for SL, but this 70% is for HL and the 30% is extra for HL.
Okay.
And the same thing here, the 70% is the 100% for SL, but it's 70% for HL and 30% extra syllabus is there for HL level. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the basic difference. Actually, this 30% help us to differentiate all these 4 levels actually. And the level of questions are also different. Like in SL level, we can say that there not more advanced problems are there in your maths paper, but in HL level, yes, there are some difficult, or we can say that complex problems are there.
Okay.
But still, after that, if we'll talk about like your margin, like in AA, we have different like set of papers. In AI, we have different set of papers. So as AI is not suitable for you, as we have already discussed that you are interested in different career, so I'm not going to discuss anything else about AI. We can discuss only about AA. Okay.
Okay.
So in this case, you have 3 papers. Total, we have 3 papers. Paper 1, paper 2, and paper 3. Okay.
Okay.
But in this case, this paper is 3 for only for HL level. SL level students are not supposed to give this paper. Okay.
Okay.
Now we need to discuss like which different types of questions are coming in these 3 papers. So we can discuss. In this first paper, the marks is of 80 marks paper and 90 minutes is time to complete this paper. And in this question, we have short response answer type question. Okay.
Okay.
But in paper 2, the same 80 marks, 90 minutes.
But long responses, right?
Yes. Actually, in this again, we have 2 sections. The one is short response and the another one is extended response. And in this also, again, we have 2 sections. In the first section, we have short response. And in the second one, we have extended response. Okay.
Okay.
Now, what is the difference then in between these 2 papers? In this paper, you are not supposed to use calculator. No technology is allowed. Okay.
Okay.
And in this paper, you can use technology. Clear?
Okay.
Any doubt?
No.
After that, if we'll discuss about this third paper is again, you can use technology. And this third paper is of 60 minutes and 55 marks. Okay.
Okay.
In this paper, actually, 2 compulsory extended response problem solving questions are there. Only 2 questions. And both are, you can say that, problem solving questions. Okay. And both questions are compulsory. Clear?
Yeah.
So this is you can say that assessment outline. This is just external assessment. This is known as external assessment. Why this is external assessment? Because all the 3 theory papers are set by an IB examiner, and or your answer sheet is also checked by an IB examiner. But now, what is the meaning of internal assessment? Actually, like in IB, we have internal assessment, and the short form will be IA. And that IA is nothing but your minor research. What is the meaning of this minor research? In that minor research, you have to create a research question. Research question means you have to create a problem, you have to create a real life problem in which you are able to apply some mathematical concept to overcome that problem. Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
So that assessment is known as internal assessment.
But I won't be doing it because it's HL.
Sorry?
I won't be doing it because it's HL. Right?
No. This IA is there for all the levels. Either you are
okay.
taking AA or you are taking HLSM. Whatever the level is there, you have to make this IA. Actually, if you are having SL, then you are giving these two papers and 80% of this paper marks are added and 20% marks of this internal assessment are added. If you are having HL level, then you have to take these three papers. Again, the 80% marks of these three papers plus 20% marks of this I. Clear?
Yeah.
So this is just an assessment outline for any IBDP students, but this pattern is for only AA. Correct?
Okay. Yeah.
And in this, like mathematics, we can use graphic display calculator. In the short form will be GDC. And in general, we are using this one, Casio FX-CG50. Okay.
Okay.
This is the calculator we are using to solve the question in IB. There are many different concepts are there. But in case of IA, Martin, like we have many different criterion, and like your criterion A will be the presentation of your research work. The second one is mathematical communication, means which different types of mathematical concept you are using in your research. Personal engagement, like what is your personal interest in that problem. Reflections and the use of mathematics, like how you are using that mathematics. I'll show you one example, like how we have done this IA, like your internal assessment, how we can make this. Okay.
Okay.
So just need to show you a short sample. Is this visible for you?
Yeah.
So this is just a short sample actually, the modeling the increase of death rate over the course of pandemic. Like there is a death rate, how we can like increase over the course of pandemic, like how we can do this in our own way. So what we have done in this, we have just collected the data from the WHO website. Okay. That in this way, like see, that I have collected the data that these are the total confirmed cases, these are the daily increase cases, these are the daily change. And I am using the different 5 countries in this IA. Like I have taken the data for France country, I have taken the data for India, I have taken the data for Germany, I have taken the data for US, and I have taken the data for China as well. And the previous 5 graph is for the birth, like your pandemic cases, like your confirmed cases, and these are the 5 graphs for death cases.
Okay.
And then I've applied statistics here, like how we can find the mean, mode, median range, interquartile range. All these topics we are going to learn in grade 11. Okay.
Okay.
And then we have to apply those topics in grade 12 to make this IA. Clear?
Yeah.
So what we have done just after this is after done doing the mathematical calculation, after applying these formulas, we did this. These are the mathematical measures. And this is just your discussion and conclusion. We have to add these references that we are using these, as in bibliography, like these references, these literature we have used to make this IA. Correct?
Yeah.
So till now we have discussed, Martin, like which different types of levels are there in IB, and as you are preferable for only AA. So I have discussed some assessment outline for your AA. Calculator we have discussed, and we have also discussed like just a short sample of your IA, right?
All right.
Do you want to ask anything else till now?
No, so far so good.
Okay. So Martin, like now we'll proceed with your course outline. Okay.
Okay.
The course outline, we have 5 units. We have 5 units in all the levels of maths, but the minor topics are different according to the levels. Okay.
Okay.
Number and algebra. This is your first unit. Functions. This is your second unit. After that, trigonometry and geometry. This is your third unit. Statistics and probability. This is your fourth unit, and calculus is your fifth unit. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, the name of the unit is same for all the levels, but the topics, whatever the topics are there in these units, that are different according to the levels. Okay.
Okay.
So these are the 5 units we are going to learn, and I'll tell you some more brief about IA as well, like as you are in grade 10 only. Now tell me, like I've discussed very much basics to you. So can we proceed with a short topic of mathematics?
Should I like talk about a topic?